Mini centrifuges are compact laboratory instruments used to separate substances based on their density through the application of centrifugal force. Different types of mini centrifuges may have unique features and applications. Understanding these differences can help you find the most suitable product for your needs. Main types of mini centrifuges: basic mini centrifuges, simple design. Ideal for routine separations. Adjustable speed. Allows control over the centrifugal force applied. Compact size. Suitable for labs with limited space. Microcentrifuges, small volume samples. Designed for microcentrifuge tubes. High-speed capability. Can reach speeds of up to 15,000 rounds per minute. Versatile rotor options. Accommodate various tube sizes. Refrigerated mini centrifuges, temperature control, capable of maintaining low temperatures during operation. Sensitive sample handling. Ideal for preserving sample integrity. Adjustable speed and temperature. Customized settings for optimal results. Portable mini centrifuges, battery powered. Operate without being plugged in. Lightweight, easy to move around the lab or take to fieldwork. Compact design. Minimal footprint for convenient storage. Specialized mini centrifuges, custom features. Designed for specific applications like DNA extraction or blood separation. Unique rotor designs. Tailored to handle specialized samples. Advanced controls. Programmable settings for complex protocols. Conclusion: selecting the right type of mini centrifuge depends on the specific needs of your laboratory work. Whether you require precise temperature control, high-speed capabilities, or specialized features, there is a mini centrifuge that suits your requirements. To learn more about mini centrifuges and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.